It wasn't too long ago that when it came to choosing the right type of Google Ads campaign for your business, the decision was easy. If you're a service-based business, you would straight away go and set up some search campaigns. While if you're an e-commerce business, you would focus on shopping campaigns and you might have a little bit of search just to assist those shopping campaigns. And if you're a service-based or an e-commerce-based business and you wanted to get a little bit more advanced, you would then add in a remarketing display campaign to assist your search and your shopping campaigns. But that is now very, very different. And if you're looking at starting a Google Ads campaign, you've got so many different options you can choose from. You've got search campaigns, shopping campaigns, Performance Max campaigns, display campaigns, app campaigns, video campaigns, and of course, discovery campaigns, just to name a few. Plus, it doesn't stop there because right now, Google is currently in the open beta testing stage of a new campaign type called Demand Gen, which will be focusing on YouTube Shorts, YouTube, and Gmail advertising. So in this video, I want to take you through all of the different types of Google Ads campaigns that you can use so that you can decide which is the best Google Ads campaign for your business right now. But before we get into that, just in case we haven't met yet, my name is Aaron Young. I'm from Define Digital Academy, and I'm your 15,000 hour Google Ads Master. And to help you further, if you're new to Google Ads and you don't really understand the different types of Google Ads campaigns and how they all work, I want to give you free access to a tool which I've created, which is called my How to Win at Google Ads Planner. And this is a planner which you can go through, and it not only gives you all of the information about the different types of Google Ads campaigns, how you can use them. It also asks you the core questions of what you need to really look at and answer when you're designing your Google Ads campaign. And if you'd like to get access to this great tool, all you need to do is to follow that link in the description below. But with all that said, now let's get into how you can go about and choose what is the best type of campaign for you to use in Google Ads right now. And the best starting point for this is that you need to firstly have an overview of the different types of campaigns, how they work, and what their best intended purpose is for. So to explain all of that, let's jump into a screen share. The first important step in this process is that you do actually need to know the different types of Google Ads campaigns. And then we're also going to go through the different types of ads that each campaign uses, what networks they show on, what businesses these are suitable for, and also what they can focus on. So let's firstly start with the search campaign. Now, this is probably the one that people are most familiar with, and we know that they focus on text-based ads. They work on the search network, and these are pretty much an all-rounder. They're great for service-based or software as a service businesses. And with these ones, you can use them to focus on new clients, existing clients, or even remarketing. Whereas Performance Max, it works on not only the text ads, but also shopping ads, image ads, Google Maps, and also Gmail. Now, Performance Max goes across a larger range of networks, so it works on the search, display, Maps, Gmail, and YouTube. Once again, suitable for pretty much all different types of businesses, and it can focus on new clients and existing clients. Now, I have put in there that it does also work for remarketing, but I do want to note is that it's not targeted remarketing. So you can't specifically just say we only want to focus on remarketing. Then you've got shopping. Obviously, shopping ads appear on the shopping network, and they are the bread and butter for e-commerce businesses. And these ones can focus on new clients, existing clients, and you can still have targeted remarketing shopping ads function as we speak right now. And then finally, display ads. Now, these are these image-based ads. If you're unfamiliar with how these works, if you've ever been on a website and then you feel like for the next 1 to 2 weeks, wherever you go on the internet, you're seeing that company's ads, that is a display ad. And these can be used once again for service-based e-commerce or software as a service businesses. And these are ones where you can also really define it for existing remarketing audiences. And you can also target it specifically for new clients only. Then you've got your discovery campaigns, which are image-based ads. Now they do have some other elements in there, but they're mainly for image-based ads, and they work across YouTube, the display network, Gmail, and also within the App Store. And discovery-based ads are very much designed at new clients, so bringing in new people who haven't heard about your business or aren't currently aware of your products. And then we've also got our video ads, as the name suggests. These are for videos, which are on YouTube. I know, groundbreaking. And these ones are for new clients, and you can also do some remarketing in there, and you can even target specific channels. And then finally is the app campaigns, which is text and image ads. Now, this is going to come as no surprise, is that obviously you need an app, and these ones ones run in the Google Play, Search, YouTube, and Discovery. Now that you know the different types of campaigns and where those ads appear, I want to take you through the different types of targeting, what level of control you have over the ad copy, and that can be really, really important, especially if you are in a regulated business. There are some types of campaigns which are not suitable for you because you don't have 100% control over the ad copy. And then we also want to talk about the conversion endpoints. Now when I'm talking about conversion endpoints, I'm talking about the main ones. So obviously there are some campaigns which you can do all of them, but I'm just talking about the main ones that I focus on when I think about different types of Google Ads campaigns. So first one with search, you do have a high level of control over not only your keyword targeting, but also your audience targeting. And that's the same as with ad copy, although I have put the little asterisk there just to make it aware that in search campaigns, Google is now rolling out automatically created assets. You do need to make sure that you don't have that turned on if you want to keep the high level of control. And conversion endpoints, this is great for email or form completions, online bookings, sales, and phone calls. Now, Performance Max, this is one where you have a low level of control, not only over the keyword and audience targeting, but also over the ad copy. A way of seeing this is that you give Google recommendations. Google uses that as a starting point and then builds out your advertising from there. And that's both on the keyword and audience targeting and also on the ad copy. But once again, this is good for everything like search, but you've also do have some different local actions, and it can even record store visits. And then you've got your shopping. Once again, you've got a high level of control over your targeting and also your ad copy, but this one is very much focused on sales, and especially the physical products or e-commerce sales. Display, once again, you've got a high level of control. Now, the reason why I say moderate control over the ad copy is because Google is more and more moving to responsive display ads where you upload an image and then you give them some headlines and descriptions, and Google decides which headlines and which descriptions will appear with your images. And I find display great for email and form completions, online bookings, and also sales. Your discovery campaigns, similar to Performance Max, these are very much what you would call a smart campaign where you've got a low level of control over the targeting and the ad copy. Video campaign, you've got a moderate level of control over the AdWord targeting, but obviously you've got a high level of control over the video because you have to submit a video. So you've obviously got full control over how the ad runs because you're providing the video to Google. And I do use video not only for email and form completions, but also online bookings and product sales. And then finally, the app. With the targeting, you've got moderate control. Over the ad copy, you do have a high control because obviously it's marketing your own app. And the conversion endpoints, this is very much for app downloads and also engagement within the app for people who have already got access to your individual app. Now, there is also one other really important factor when it comes to choosing the right campaign for your business. And that is the budget or the amount of money that you have to spend every single day or month for Google Ads. So not only do you need to know all of that prior information that we gave you about the different types of Google Ads campaigns, how they work. So for example, if you don't have a team or you're unable to create video content, obviously video campaigns are not going to be for you. But on top of that, knowing the different types of campaigns, how they work, what level of targeting you've got, you also do need to take into account the budgets. And the reason for why this is really, really important is because especially for the newer types of campaigns like Performance Max, they do need a high level of data coming into that account so that it actually has enough data to be able to then go around and target the correct users for your business. So if you're using Performance Max campaigns, realistically, for best results, you need to be able to have a budget where you know that you can generate 30 conversions over 30 days. So realistic, what that means is that if it's costing you $10 per conversion, you're gonna need to be spending $300 a month. Whereas if it costs you $100 per conversion, you're gonna need to be spending $3,000. Now, the reason for why those 30 conversions in 30 days is so important is because Performance Max is focused on conversions. So you need to be able to really make sure that you're getting enough conversion data so that Google can go about and target those similar audiences and similar users to continue to grow your business. That's why you can see times with your Performance Max campaign where it'll sort of go along nicely for a couple of months and then you'll see this supercharge of growth. That's because you've finally given Google enough data within your Performance Max campaign so they can go about finding new customers for your business and converting them with your ads. So if you do find yourself in this situation where you know you don't have a high enough budget to be able to see that 30 conversions in 30 days, I'd recommend then starting with a search or a shopping campaign. And the reason for that is because for success with search or shopping, you only need to have a budget which is going to be giving you 10 clicks or 300 clicks every month. Now, the reason for why I set that as the benchmark is because that's giving you enough information and enough data so you can go through and review the search terms, so you can add in those extra negative keywords and really look to target which are the best performing keywords for your business. But also more importantly, it also gives you enough impressions so you can complete proper split testing for your ads. Last year, we saw that across the board in all search campaigns, the average click-through ratio was 7%. So if we work out that data from 10 clicks a day, that's giving you about 21,000 impressions a month, which is going to be more than enough impressions for you to be able to run that required split testing so that you can give Google the best ads for your business. And then what you can do from there is that once you have enough data and you're confident with your conversion tracking and you're getting those 30 conversions in 30 days, you can then upgrade your campaigns and your spending to those AI supercharged campaigns like Performance Max, which then can go out and grow your business on a daily basis. So thank you for joining me. It's been my absolute pleasure having you. And remember, if you want that greater assistance with planning out how to best set up your Google Ads campaigns and which Google Ads campaigns to use, I want you to follow that link in the description below so that you can get your copy of my How to Win at Google Ads Planner. And if you want to learn more about AI and how that's coming in and affecting Google Ads and how to interact with Google Ads in the future, I want you to go through, watch this video right here. Once again, thanks for joining me. See you next time.